Karakory ma bro? Ha, ça va. Androany aritsika de miaraka amina vidéo vaovao ndray amin'ny resaka izay mampikentrokentrona. Ao anaty internet moa zany de misy vidéo foana, misy compilation an'ireny vidéo resaka challenge reny izay misy zavatra tena marina izay mampikentrona hoe situation hafahafa na hoe zavatra tsy de tena fahita loatra amina télévision na amina chaîne YouTube na amina direct amin'ny YouTube de ireny no jerentsika androany na koa mety blague kely ataon'ny olona tsy fananina na fananina de ohatr'izany zavatra ho jerentsika androany.
Serious, Jordan? You never take that off. You're constantly wearing it. You won't take it off for family dinners. You don't spend time with me anymore. You literally think you're Sonic. You literally think that you are Sonic.
Ay, mona déguisement Sonic kely ry de milalao jeu en ligne zany angamba tetezitra ny akizany. Fa zao koa ve tsy fananiny e? Tsy haitsika.
Hedgehog, you're constantly chasing me around the house. You even tried wearing it during sex. I don't know the last time you took it off and showered was. You need to watch.
Mety fika azahoana viewer kosa angamba zao e. Eny efa tsy haiko aloha fa mety tena leo koa angamba le sipa matoa tena miteny hoe tsisy zavatra.
Can we normalize men in muzzles? Because all they want to do is but honey, the biggest turn on you can do for a woman or anyone is shut that pipe.
Zany muzzle zany. Muzzle. Google Trad fa tsy mahay anglais. Ay museau. Ah, zany hoe nitenen'le vehivavy bota kely teo zany hoe rehefa botabota zany ny lehilahy de hoe mampanao mampitena hoe le eo am'le museau an'le lehilahy. Nasa binigil? Tena nataodra be mihitsy le raha matoa tena sérieux kety. Tena manadala olon-dehibe anafaka lanon-drano olon-dehibe koa iny pandy.
I guess it's time to show you how anime I can get. Konnichiwa. This filter is pretty nice. I like it.
Tsara le filtre. Fa le band matavy be.
I should do it more often, don't you think?
Hey, like some drugs? The first one is free.
Want to check out my van? I got some candy.
Hey, kid, want to join our gang and spray paint under a bridge?
No, bug off, man. I'm going roller skating. I want to be addicted to roller skating, not crack. Because we roller skate today, we will go to college tomorrow. Prison is full of people that have never roller skated.
I'm Brad Armstrong, owner of Roller Kingdom in Reno, Nevada, keeping your kids off the streets since 1999.
If fanasana zany ohatrany hafahafa be any le pub teo. Hoe pub zany ohatrany hoe azajanony eny amin'ny arabe zany ny ankizy fa mandeha milalao roller any anatin'ny toerana filalaovana roller. De nefa ohatrany tsy haiko hoe ohatrany hoe zay le mampikentrona am'le izy ohatrany hafahafa be le hoe zazakely am'le piva de le misy an'le pervers be reny. Eny efa marina aloha le hoe aza atao mijanona eny amin'ny arabe ny zanakao fa be da be ny fakapanahy, tsy fakapanahy moa zany fa be da be ny mety hisopatra amin'ny zay rehetrarehetra atao. Ny pervers be da be. Tizatsika. I asked a minister if you have to be vegan to go to heaven. He said no. Nanontany pasteur zany ve izy sa hoe karazana ohatr'ohatr'izany.
Who's that pumpkin?
I'm a pumpkin.
Who's that pumpkin?
I'm a pumpkin.
Who wants a pumpkin?
I'm a pumpkin.
There's your pumpkin.
I love my pumpkin.
Yeah. Ohatrany hoe tsy haiko. Ohatrany hoe kilalao hafahafa ve?
Ask your mom if she wants to bang? What the fuck?
Hey Vic, what's up?
Yo, what's good, Ma?
Oh my god.
Mom, do you want to bang?
What did you say?
I said, do you want to bang?
I feel I don't know English or you're going mental.
Mom.
We're going to a facility
do you want to bang or
right
not?
now.
Do you want to bang or not?
What do you think?
Yeah? Ow! Mom, a bang!
Per pele fantanina de testra pe mamale. Yes, ani sarotro be manazava an'izany angambany fa manova recherche kely iny zany do you wanna bang zany hoe hafahafa be any zany manazava an'izany amin'ny teny gasy miteny an'izany amin'ny teny gasy mihitsy hafahafa be kay boisson kely tenin'le ry.
Look at these two. Imagine taking a photo of a guy doing deadlifts in the middle of a crosswalk, then getting upset when someone crosses the street. Oh, you're...
Tsy zoan'le vehivavy zany, tsy zoany zany. Tsy zoanao zany. Efa hoe ny lalana atao andehanana fa tsy anaovana deadlift.
Influencing. Yeah, the only thing you're influencing is natural selection. Why don't you stay there a little longer? Let it do its job. Yeah, then you got this one. Thinks the world is an amusement park. There you go. That's how you got to treat these people. Just push them to the side. Yeah, let's take selfies with wild bears now. Why not? Look at her shocked. What do you think, it was going to stand up, put its arm around you, and make duck lips for your Snapchat? Then you got this one.
Tandremo ry salady makamaka sary ty fa mahafaty io zao reny jereny daholo nataon'ny olona.
One taking a photo with her entire identity. God, they're everywhere. How about you really try to live a life without seeking validation? What is this shit? I don't think this guy needs a photo, honey. I'm thinking more of an exorcism. Well, this is the world we live in.
Yeah, this is the world we live in. Ohatr'izay mihitsy zany ny amin'izao alaina sary daholo ny rehetrarehetra dia alefa amin'ny voaingana indray ny alalan'izany tao amin'ny Twitter atao hoe RS hono. Dia ny dikan'le RS amin'io hoe réseaux sociaux. Dia hafahafa be amina foana hoe tsy voatery alaina RS alefa RS daholo ny zavatra atao rehetrarehetra. Mampikentrona.
Now, folks, the look at me generation, where everyone finds a way to make everything about themselves and make sure you see it. What a legacy to leave behind.
Iny zany le izy fangalana sara amin'ny fiainana amin'izao efa tena lamody mihitsy. Gamer zone. Tsy mahazo metrao vehivavy. Vehivavy angamba be resaka be dia tsy mety. Tena message be da be koa zany milalao Fortnite, tsy azo idirana.
Before there's, I assume you probably know why I want to talk to you.
Just too many people.
Well, do you know what the ordinance is?
10 people.
Yeah. How many people are in the house?
20.
20 people inside?
Resaka famorina olona ty zany any ivelany any hoe tsy haiko firy zany no tena.
Yeah, you might.
10 people.
Yeah.
Nefa folo ihany zany ka izay le izy folo zany ny azo tazomina ao an-trano na hoe miforifory ve. Dia nefa le ry zany roapolo ny ao.
20 people inside? Yeah, you might want to start clearing them out, man.
Yeah, that's fine.
I've never seen this before. There's an input on the computer that you tested positive for COVID?
Yes.
When was this?
This was a week ago.
Are you supposed to be quarantining?
Yeah, that's why I'm at my house.
Do you have other people here and you're positive for COVID? That's what we're trying to prevent.
Zay le manapozina tsy mety. Ria efa voan'ny Covid nefa mbola mamory olona ihany tamin'ny herinandro lasa teny voan'ny Covid mety mbola vony zany.
We want to keep this town open.
That's why I was staying.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna see if my stepbrother really loves me or not.
Are we finally going to Hooters?
No! No, I'm gonna take leave, and if you put your hands down, then you don't love me.
Well, that's as good as Hooters.
I'm gonna take leave for 10 seconds. 1, 2, me anymore.
Hafahafa be.
So I summoned a storm accidentally while working on my energy skills today. As you can see, there was no wind before. It was actually sunny the whole day. Not even 3.5 minutes after I started, the wind began to go crazy. This isn't the first odd experience I've had with weather. I did not intend for this next part to happen, but it did, so I went with it. I felt energy surging down my spine. I was feeling what hand movements made the wind pick up and what did not. I was laughing in my mind like, how the hell is this happening? I decided to get up and grab myself to guide while still playing with the wind. We have abilities that are untapped, things we don't know about until they surface. People can call me crazy all they want. I want to teach you that we can do unexplainable things. This is the sky after. Bless.
Aiza. Inzana be zany. Ye, misy zavatra tsy vitatsika be da be hono sisy le vehivavy. De lasa tsy lamina tsara nefa ny tany teo. Lasa nisy orage. Be da be hono zavatra vitatsika eny. Hafahafa ihany zany fa
we have no limits. Go to nature, find what is hidden. It is there, whatever you're looking for.
Yeah, check. Le pose le zere le panda te nakara. Finno corne tanti siptive marar sen. Te lo la tan sisina tan endrasane. Mahafinaritra no mijery zavatra ohatran'ireny ohatran'ny be da be zany zavatra hita ato anaty internet izay amin'izao vanim-potoana iainantsika zao ohatran'ny hoe hafahafa zavatra bizara azo amin'ny caméra. De ohatran'izany androany aza teny miditra ao abonné dia amanaraka indray.